After this video, you will not have any doubt about how to file taxes as an international student in United States of America. I am filing my taxes here again, and I thought that it is very important for me to make a video and share with you. Just in case if you do not know me, hi, myself Ayush Kumar, and I am a student here at Arizona State University. I am pursuing my masters in computer engineering, and this video I have made different sections where it would be easy for you to follow up every step, and I'll tell you how to do it very easily. Literally, it's very easy. So first things first, like, why is it important to file taxes as a student? As a student, you are allowed to work for 20 hours during your school hours and 40 hours when your school is off. So if you earn an income, you will have to file taxes. That is something that everyone knows. But if you do not earn income, then also you have to file taxes here. So if you are an international student, be it on F1 or be it on J1 visa, you will have to file taxes. But you might think that what if I do not? It's not as easy as that. You really cannot do that. It will risk your visa. You will have to pay fine, you'll have to pay penalties, and your future immigration could also be in danger. So why to risk that, right? You have done so much hard work, and it's not a good thing to do that. So jumping on to the next section, what are the key forms that is needed to file your taxes? There are three of them. Typically, I remember three of them: Form 8842, Form W2, and Form 1042S. So I'll tell you what Form 8843 is. 8843 is a mandatory form for every international student, even without income, which proves your non-resident status. Like, you are not a US resident, right? You are not a green card holder. You're not a citizen. So you will need Form 8843. Form W2 is provided by your employer. If you have worked somewhere for your on-campus job, CPT, OPT, your employer will give you your W2 form, which will be very detailed. It will have all the details, like how much taxes you paid, what was your salary, everything. Form 1042S, it is again something which is important. Like, it is generally provided by your university or sponsor if you have received taxable scholarship. So generally scholarships are non-taxable, but in few cases they are. So if you have received 1042S maybe on your email or your mailbox, please check that and do include that as you file your taxes. So now you would think that, okay, we know the forms, but how to do it? So my university has recommended me using Sprintax. There are multiple tools out there, but Sprintax is the one which is specially designed for international students, and that is what my university also recommended it. And I remember last year as well, I used Sprintax and I received all of my tax refund very properly. Like, I received it within 3 to 4 months. It was that easy, and it was accurate, appropriate, whatever adjective you might want to use. So what is Sprintax? Sprintax is an online platform which is designed for international students, as I already told you, and this video is not sponsored by any chance. This is something that I have used and I want to recommend it to you as well. So it is an online platform. There are few key points. It helps you determine your tax residency status. Are you a non-resident or a resident? And it is very simple. Like, there are simple questions that you just need to answer, and it will generate your form very easily, and then you can proceed ahead with your process. So again, this video is not sponsored. Now getting on to the step-by-step guide on how to do it. I was literally wanting to show you guys my dashboard, but it has all the information, like very confidential information: your SSN number, address, phone number, my income, my taxes, everything. So I am refraining from showing my dashboard, but I will show you as much as possible, maybe screenshots, or maybe little bit screenshots or something like that. I'll try to attach and make it as much possible as easy for you. So I'll tell you how to do it. First, you need to create your Sprintax account and sign up with your college ID. I have used my ASU ID to do it, and then once you do that, You will be answering your residency and income questions. Very simple, clear questions to identify your tax responsibilities, like how much have you paid, how much refund would you be getting, when are you leaving US, when you entered US, when is your I-20 expiring. These are just sample examples that I put in front of you, but there are multiple questions that are very easy to do it. Then you need to upload your documents, form W2, form 1042S, which you will be receiving from your employer or your bank, whoever. As I already told you about the key forms, so you would be receiving them on either on your email or mailbox, so you need to attach those as well. So after this, Sprintax system automatically calculates your tax return and determines that will you be getting any refund or not. So generally students do get refunds, so you will get refund. It will tell you the amount. Then what you need to do, you need to download the generated tax form. After you use the Sprintax system, it will give you form 8843 and form 1040NR. 8843 is the one which I told you initially, and 1040NR is for non-resident aliens. Non-resident aliens are the ones who have come into the country legally and are not residents. So you need to have these two forms as well. Now the next step is that you will take hard copies of these forms, 8843, 1040NR, W2s, and your 1042S. It is very complicated, but now it's in my mind, so I can tell you. So you need to keep hard copy of those, put them in an envelope, and you need to add the address of IRS. Sprintax will even give you that, and then you need to go to your local USPS office and then mail it. So it's as simple as that, and do keep your soft copies in your system. I also remember I had to sign each page on those forms when I was submitting it last time. So just a thing that came in my mind and I told you at this time itself. So yeah, this is what it is. Common mistakes that students generally avoid: using software which are not intended for international students. For example, TurboTax. TurboTax is only for green card holders and US citizens. That means it is only for residents, US residents. You are not a US resident, you are an international student here. So please use Sprintax. Now make sure you double check for accuracy. Make sure that all the points that you have added in there are exactly correct, because if you are supposed to receive a $300 refund, and if you did not put a check mark, or if you did not select the right option, you would not receive that 300. So a loss of 300, right? So double check for accuracy. Proof of mailing is very important. Like make sure when you go and mail your envelope, the USPS will give you a mailing receipt. Keep that with you, and make sure that you do it within the deadline. The deadlines are generally April 15th each year, and this year also it's same. So yeah, it's better to do it beforehand, so just to make sure that yeah, everything's in place and you do not need to hurry yourself. So resources and links, I'll be adding all of those, Sprintax official link, and maybe you can refer your university international student office page, where they tell you, okay, this is the link that you need to follow and you need to file your taxes from. So I am from Arizona State University, so I don't know which university are you from. So you can contact your international student office and they'll help you with that. So this was pretty much it. I hope you liked the video. I try to keep my videos very informative and to the point, so that you do not miss anything important and I do not take and waste any second of yours. So please do subscribe to the channel if you already liked it. Thank you so much, and comment what you liked, and if you didn't like anything, please tell me that. I'll take it as constructive criticism and I'll try to improve on that as well. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.